Kia ora, Tamati Makaurau. Are you guys having fun? Are you having fun? That's right, the Paula Family Dance Group is going to take you to the world of Pasifika entertainment. Thank you so much for celebrating all our Pasifika cultures with our Tamaki Makaurau and our Aotearoa New Zealand community today. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to witness an awesome show that you have never seen before, that you haven't heard before, you haven't witnessed before, you haven't watched before. The Paula family would like to say hello and tarakalama to all our online viewers, the millions of our fans going live on Facebook. Ladies and gentlemen, tarakalama maro le ladies sa pulamina ka kia ora ana. Talohani and God is good.
All the time.
And all the time.
God is good.
Introducing on the stage the Paula family. Tulia! DJ.